Hi guys, my name is Destiny Manuel, still your favorite developer, and today I want to introduce you to this amazing script I've just developed, and it's called a Tranzact script. Now, the function of this script is for you to send um, email, sorry, for you to send cryptocurrency transactions via email to your clients. Cryptocurrency transactions and also bank transactions as well. Now you can see this is the email template. This is how it looks like. All right. So I will be walking you through on how the system works, how you can install it, and how you can get this amazing script. It's a very easy to use script. All you just need to do is to get the script, install it, and you can send cryptocurrency transactions with any wallet or exchanger's name and their logos and whatever you want to use. Now note, this video is for educational purpose only. We will not be responsible if the information of this video is being used for any illicit activity. So the same digital concept will not be held responsible for that. So without wasting much time, let's dive in straight to have a preview of this system. Now I have already logged into the dashboard here. This is the dashboard. Now this is what you see when you visit the dashboard. Now we've already added some categories, so here you can edit a category and also delete the category, and also you can add new category. All right, so these are the initiators. Now these initiators are the institution, maybe a bank or an exchange or a cryptocurrency platform that you want to use their email template, that you want to mimic. Okay, so that's basically what it's all about. So you can see we have Bybit here, we have Binance, we have Bank of America. So this is a bank, while these other two are exchange. All right, so you can also activate them, deactivate them, delete them, or edit them. All right, so when you make a transaction, the transaction you make is going to be displayed right here. So we've not made any transaction now, that is, we have not initiated any transaction now, so that's why nothing is displaying there. So now the first thing I'm going to walk you through is how to add these initiators. So it is very easy. Adding initiators is very easy. So all you just need to do is just to go over to this section here where you see add initiator, and you click on add initiator. So this is the page to add the initiator. Here you just need to enter the name of the initiator. So we already have Binance and Bybit. So let's use what do we use now? Let's just use OKS. So we call it OKS. Then the category we use crypto or exchange. Then we'll select active. So here we're going to enter the logo URL of that initiator. That is, in this case, we are going to enter OKS logo URL. So we're just going to search for OKS logo. So OKS logo. Sorry, this is OKS logo. So this is OKS logo. Then you're just going to look for the one that should fit into the template you will be using. So this one is okay, this one is okay, so we can use this. Now what we're going to be doing, we're going to copy the logo URL. So copy the image address and we go over to here, then we'll paste it here. Now we are going to enter the email of that initiator, so we're going to be using OKS email. So let's go search for OKS email address. OKS email address. Then let's see if we can get their email address. So my network is refusing to connecting. However, we can just you search for that, but I don't want this video to get too long, so I'm just going to type it here. OKS at let's sorry, it should be support at oks.com. okay, so after that you add the initiator. Now that initiator has been added. Now if we go to our dashboard now, we're going to see we have OKS right here. Others and okay, the logo is displaying there. So you must ensure you see the logo here, otherwise the logo is not going to display on the email. Now the next thing we're going to do now is to initiate a transaction. Okay, so all we just need to do, go over here, then here we enter the name of the transaction. So you can give it any name. Let's just call it test transaction. Now you can just give it any name. So we want to try out a cryptocurrency transaction and see. So we can use Binance, we can use Bybit, we can use OK. So you see, these are the initiators we have added. So you can add more and more initiators. All right, so let's use Bybit. Then let's enter the amount of what we want to send. So here we're going to enter the currency. So it could be BTC, it could be ETH, it could be USDT, it could be anything. All right, so let's just use BTC. So we are sending 3,000 BTC. So 3,000 BTC, that's a huge sum. So for BTC, let's enter 0.0 business and that. So this is okay. All right, so don't make it too, understand, don't make it too obvious. So the email, the client email, so this is the client that will be receiving this transaction we want to send. So let's just use my email here. Then here you can enter a notice, and that notice will be displayed alongside with your email. So let's say the notice is, this is a transaction from your, now we're using Binance, right? So you can use Binance withdraw. Okay, so you can enter anything you want to use. Now the next step is to select the email template. So this script has 3 email templates. All right, so this is where you view your email template. So here we have the email template. So these are the 3 email templates. We have Binance template, Bybit template, and bank template. So let's just use Binance template. Now any of these templates can fit because they have been customized to fit into whatever you want to use it for. Right, so any of the templates can fit, but note, if you are sending a bank transaction, you use the bank template. Do not use any of these 2 templates for bank transaction. But if it's a crypto transaction, you can use any of them, any of these 2. So let's use Binance template, then we'll send. Okay, they're telling us our amount has to be 1. Okay, so let's just enter a written amount. We'll just assume that's what we're sending. So after this, we will just send. So we are initiating a transaction now. Before it's sent, let's go and open my email to have a preview. So as you can see, transaction initiated successfully. Now let's go check on my email to see if that transaction has been initiated. Now if we go to dashboard here and just scroll down, you can see we have the transaction right here, and you can resend the transaction and delete the transaction. Just in case you sent it the first time, the client did not receive it, you can just come here, click on resend, and the transaction will be resent. So let's have a preview. So you can see this is our transaction, withdrawal successful. Now note, the transaction template here is for withdrawal, it's not for deposit. So it's only for withdrawal. All right, so you can see it looks exactly like Binance template. You can see if you are used to Binance withdraw and all of those things, you're going to understand. So you see it looks exactly like what Binance will send. All right, so this is the transaction ID. Of course, you know this is formulated, and all of these and that. So this is the amount, 110 BTC from your account. So you can see exactly like Binance template, and this is that notice that you added. So you can choose not to add a notice, and you can also choose to add a notice. All right, so you can see the sender here is The name is banners. You can see that here, banners, and everything is working very well. So now let's try to resend. We just need to click on resend, and that transaction will be resent. So let's view now to see if it will be resent. Now this is the first one that we received. So let's delete it. All right, so you can see the new one has popped in now. So this is the new one. So you can resend it multiple times, just in case the receiver did not receive it the first time. You can, resend it again. So now let's view the different templates we have. So we just see our Binance template look like. So that one we used was Binance template. Just click on all templates here, so you can see the various templates. Now this is Bybit template. You can see this Bybit template. Now this is Binance template, and this is the bank template. So as you can see, everything is responsive and working very perfectly. You just need to select the template you want to use, and you can also add more templates. Now how do you add templates? If you are a designer, you can add the template yourself. All you just need to do, design the template and upload it on the server end. Then when you upload to the server end, you go to template.php and add the template over here. So you can now select the new template that you just added, but you will have to design that yourself using HTML and CSS. All right, but with these theoretical templates, you can make any transactions you want to make. You can make any transaction you want to make. So you can see we have these two are for crypto, while this last one is for bank. Take note. Now that's all for the system. So it's just a very simple system and very efficient. So now how do you install this script? First of all, you will need to download the script. After downloading the script, you're going to receive the script file and the database. Now let me show you how the file is going to come. This is what you're going to receive. All right, this is it right here. Let's just open it. So you're going to receive this zip file that contains this Tranzact folder. Then the Tranzact folder, you're going to see file to upload, and you're going to see Tranzact database file, db file. Now to upload this script, that is to install this script, you go to the htdocs or the public _html of your server. Then you upload this file, all right, to the public _html of your server. Now the file you are uploading should have all of these folders and files complete. Ensure that no folder or file is missing. Now when you upload it, you extract it. After extracting, you go to your MySQL databases. You create a database. After creating a database, you create a user for the database. After creating a user, you assign the user to the database. Now you're going to take note of the user password and the user name. All right, so after that, you go to your PHP myadmin, then you upload this file to the database you have just created. Upload this file to the database you have just created. Now after uploading the file to the database you have just created, you are going to locate the first file you will be locating is the admin/config file. Now let me show you the file here. So this is just the files we have for the system. So you are going to locate this ink folder right here. You see the ink folder, just locate this ink folder. When you locate the ink folder, locate this config.php file. Now when you locate the config.php file, open it, and on opening it, here you are going to enter the name of the database that you have created. So mine is Tranzact and mine is currently running on localhost. So you enter the name of the database you have created, then you enter the username of the user that you assign to the database. You enter the username right here, and you enter the password over here. Now when you are done with all that, here you can now change the name though these ones are not important, but just the one that is most important is this email. Ensure you change this email to your own email, then you save this file. After saving it, you close it. On doing that, if you do that correctly, your admin dashboard is going to pop up. All right, so if you are not, if it's not popping up and you are seeing this error, database cannot connect, it means you have not connected your database properly. All right, so when you connect your database properly, your admin dashboard is going to pop up. Then you can now register your admin and log in and start using your Tranzact script. Now, if you have any issue installing the Transact script, or you have any issues uploading it, connecting in database or whatever, you can just contact me on WhatsApp and I will be helping you to do that. I will put you through on how to install it. So it's not difficult. We're also going to be attaching a document, a step-by-step guide, installation guide on how to install it. So you're going to see the installation guide when you purchase this script. All right, so that's all for the Transact script. As you can see, it's a very powerful and very simple script to use. Very simple script to use, so you can use this for your clients and whatever you want to use it for. All right, so to get this script now, the link to purchase this script is currently on the description of this video. Click on this link and just proceed, follow the step by step, proceed to make your payment, and you're going to be getting the script. Or just message me on WhatsApp with my WhatsApp phone number, and I'm going to be delivering this script to you in no time. All right, and you're going to get it instantly. Okay, so that's all for the Transact script. As you can see, it's a very powerful and amazing script. So just get the script and install it, and we're good to go. So see you guys in another one where I will be bringing something more powerful to your way. Have a nice time.